Hi, today we're going to be looking at the different cleaning modes of the V8S. This is iLife's latest robotic vacuum. And if you haven't watched the review that I did a couple of days ago, please check the link below. And if you want more updates on the latest robotic vacuums, please click on subscribe and the bell icon right beside it. Also, I'll have the V7S Plus coming soon, the review of that robot, and I'll be comparing it with this and more videos, so make sure to check those out. So I'll be showing you, demonstrating the three different modes. This would be the path mode, the point mode, and the border mode. First mode we will test is the point mode. This is similar to the spot cleaning mode in other brands, so this would be the button here in the middle. Next mode would be the border mode or the edge cleaning mode, which is this button on the right. Last test, I'll be trying out this path mode. This activates the back and forth cleaning motion of the V8S. So I'll be scattering around 40 grams of oats and powder on the floor. In the first cleaning test that I did, this robot was able to pick up 38 out of the 40 grams using the default cleaning mode. So let's see if this mode makes a difference in performance and in efficiency. Okay. Here's the result of the cleaning test using the path mode. This would be the path mode, and you'll see that there are some bits of oats here left around the robot. That's because this charging dock blocks the robot's path from going in a 2-foot radius around the charging station. You can see that in the video. And let's check the other parts of the room. So you'll notice that the edges here are pretty clean. You clean up the dirt on this part here, and here on this edge there's only a piece of oat left here. Here's the rest of the room. You can see that it's pretty clean. So let's check the bin and see how much dirt the V8S was able to pick up. just try to empty the bin on this newspaper. You can see that it's almost empty inside. Got most of the dirt out, and I'll just try to do this by one hand, and this is how much dirt it's able to pick up. So just fold this here. You just get the tripod. Pause this video and get the tripod. Okay, got a camera on the tripod now. Let's turn on the weighing scale and see how much it's able to pick up. I scattered 40 grams of dirt on the floor. So it picked up 36 out of the 40 grams, which is slightly lower than the previous cleaning test where it picked up 38 out of the 40. In the first cleaning test, I used the default cleaning mode, and in this test I used the path mode. So there's the difference. And to wrap up, this mode is pretty good. It's similar to the default cleaning mode in that it goes on and on until you stop the robot. You'll notice that at the end of the video I stopped. At the end of the cleaning test I stopped the robot and it went back to the charging station. Just want to show you how this robot goes back to the charging station. So the difference would be this, using this mode would have a more predictable back and forth pattern. This one has a more random pattern, but it goes on and on until you tell the robot to stop, or if the battery is low, it will go back to the charging station. So I hope this helps you get a feel on how this robot works. If you have any questions, shoot them down below in the comment section. And again, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like these in the future. And thanks again for watching.